Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Swing Wing Sing here today with another unboxing video for you. And today we have something unusually small. That is this lovely little kit from Academy, which is the 1/144 scale F-14 Tomcat. Now, Tomcats are one of my favorite American fighter jets of the Cold War era. I really love Tomcats. I've got about 2 or 3 1/144 scale kits. I've got 2 72nd scale kits, and I've also got a 48 scale Tomcat kit. So a lot of Tomcats here, but today we are going to build this as the group build entry for the naval aircraft group build that's ongoing on the Indian Scale Modelers Facebook page, and I'll leave a link to that below in case you want to join in with one of your builds. The more the merrier. So today we have the Tomcat, and this is the kit. Lovely 2 Tomcats flying in that wingman formation as if getting into a dogfight. This one is turning away, probably to engage some aerial targets. So a nice little picture there. Let's move to the longer edge of the box, and here you can see you've got the same box art. It says F-14 Tomcat, and then it gives you a few specifications of the F-14. It's a carrier-borne fighter, length 19 meters, 19.1 meters, wingspan 19.54 meters, maximum speed Mach 2.34. So this was designed as an interceptor, a fleet defense interceptor. Armament 120 millimeter Vulcan cannon and missiles, and it carries AIM-7 Sparrows, AIM-9 Sidewinders, and the long range AIM-54 Phoenix missiles. And the barcode here, let's move to the opposite end, which has the F-14 Tomcat mentioned here, and about 10 languages in which they give you certain details. It says contains one unassembled model kit and easy to follow pictorial instructions. Paint and cement required to complete model as pictured on box. Kit suitable for ages 10 to adult and scale 1/144. Again, here it says for ages 10 and up. The shorter edge, the same box art, F-14 Tomcat, Academy kit number 4434. The opposite end is exactly the same. So let's quickly unbox and see the contents. Okay, so we've got one single plastic bag with, I think, 2 screws and a clear part. So we'll have a look at that. Then we've got the instruction sheet, put that to the side. We've got the decals here, put that to the side. And the last thing is some instructions on a yellow sheet of paper telling you that this is not a pack of potato chips, so please don't expect it to be one, and don't take out those parts and stuff them into your throat so that they go into your intestines and cause choking. Let's get to the instruction sheet here. So this is basically a 1-page instruction sheet. So here you've got the same box art. Here you've got the color call out for the Tomcat. There's only one color call out for this particular decal scheme, and we'll come to that shortly. Since I'm doing it for the group build, I have a different idea in mind. Turning around, you've got 5 instruction steps, pretty simple to follow, assembly steps, and then it gives you the color call outs. So that's the instruction sheet, and then we look at the decal sheet, which is also pretty good. Nice print there on the decals. As you can see, it's got the US Navy markings. It's also got the squadron logo here, the air intake danger sign, the ejection sign, and the serial numbers here. But my idea of building this kit is that I'm going to build it in the Top Gun 1986 scheme. So I'm going to print some decals for this, and I'm going to build this in the aircraft that was flown by our very own favorite Lieutenant Pete Mitchell, which is Maverick. Tom Cruise in that movie, and I am going to make it in the form of a diorama. I've already started working on the diorama, in fact, and this diorama is going to be the very first aerial dogfight wherein you see Maverick and Cougar engaging those MiG-28s that they see for the first time. So I've already scratch built an F5, and that is because I did not have an F5 kit with me. So this is built out of foam board. Most of it is ready. This is almost ready for the paint shop. This is entirely scratch built. The only thing it needs now is some wingtip missiles and the decals, since it's going to be entirely black. So easy for me. Anyway, so moving on to the sprues then. Let me get my X-Acto knife. I'll just cut open the sprues here. Sprue bag, I'm sorry, not the sprues. What am I saying? Cut open the sprues. Right, so there we are. So 2 sprues. The first one has the bottom fuselage half. Then it's got the nose halves, the air intakes, the landing gear legs, wheels. It's got the AIM-7 Sparrow missiles, and I think these are the gear bay door covers, and it's got the exhaust nozzles as well here. So that's the first sprue, pretty simple, nice detail on it. Here's the second sprue, and you can see pretty nice panel lining there. So this is the top half of the fuselage. It's got the wings with the gear mechanism. So once you attach it inside, the wings will swing together. So the swing wing mechanism, and then it's got the vertical stabilizers. I think this is the tail hook assembly, and then the nose gear assembly over here. So just to give you a close-up, look at that. The panels are pretty sharp, very nice looking panels. Little bit of wash is definitely going to enhance the look of those panels. So that's the second sprue, and the final sprue, of course, is the canopy, which is a single piece canopy. I am not going to mask it. I'm going to paint it by hand because it's so small, and because it's just got simple lines there. So there's no point wasting time masking, but this is crystal clear. I will just dip it in future and give it the shine that it requires. All right, so there we are. That's the Academy 1/144 scale F-14 Tomcat, and I'm going to start building this. Seems to be a pretty easy build with very few parts, so stay tuned. If you like this unboxing, please follow the algorithm, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye, take care.